Day na taron, December 24, couple of hours, Christmas na. Hopefully next year, mag-uban tani. Inyo tanan. Tapos magkaroon trabaho sa, para na-ipliti next year. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Love you all! Bye-bye! Na love you all!
Love you all!
Okay. Bye-bye!
Jake and Celine. It's about 5 o'clock in the morning here in California. And kahapon, puro kaon among nahimo. Gikan sa Jollibee, pag-uman, nagkaon may o coffee, pag-abutin na ni Jeffs, ni hapon. We were really enjoying our company, but honestly, dili jud inang kompleto tungod kay wala mamong duha. But considering the circumstances nga trabaho nga dili makahatag nato sa kahigayunan nga magkauban ta, but in spirit we are still together, and the only thing here kaning duha ka bata diri, si Zach o si Zoe, magsige og hisgot ninyo, especially ikaw Jake, kay wala kuno ang greatest cheater sa Monopoly. So karon we will celebrate Christmas from a distance, but always remember, we love you both. Everybody loves you. Thank you, and Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
What? Oh my God!
Silin mo yung decide ani. Silin mo yung decide. Silin mo decide. Silin mo decide ani kalit. 3 days ago. Ganun ka realize.
3 hours later.
I have a surprise in my room. Can you guys come?
Everybody ready to go in? Yeah. She will be singing. Si Sean! 2 days ago, kabalo siya! Wala ko i-gift! Oh, gani!
Ay, kabala ka. Wala din i-gift ninyo.
5 hours later.
Sada ganito ko. Sada ganito ko.